And I'm back for a little more on the lower. I thought I'd put at least one of the takedown pins in, rather. I like how these came out. They look pretty decent in terms of color match and functionality, obviously, because I'll be taking the lower off a bit. And years ago I picked up my janky AR pivot pin tool, some homemade kit on the net. And essentially what you're doing is you're popping your spring and pivot pin in. I think you've probably seen some of these things online. Taking this, getting it to the point where you can just twist. So you've got it in there, and then you're essentially just walking the new pin in. So let's see how that works in real life. Let me grab some supplies. My do-it-yourself lower parts kit that wasn't a lower parts kit because I didn't need to buy a lower parts kit. Let's see if I can pull this out without everything coming out. So we got a whole bunch of pivot pins, safety pin, and that's a big one for the safety. So it should be these little guys. And that's a huge pin. That's not going in there, so I was right. This little guy. And one of the springs. So I will put all of this back. And I will be shaving this off, more Dremel work. Shaving the top of that buffer pin off. Okay, I think we're good. Now the big test is, will I spill a little oil out? A little drop of oil at the top of the pin, or spring rather. Drop that in there. The pin shouldn't matter in terms of orientation. They're both the same on the front and back. And here comes my fun time. You know what I should have done? I should have left the bench vise. Oh, actually, what a dumbass. Hello. So the challenge on this is to fight with that little pin. There we go. So that little beast of a pin is in there. Take my takedown pin and hopefully not mess up. Now we should hear a nice little click. Ooh, that's a tight fit. And put a little oil in that channel. New spring, new everything. Put a drop of oil in the channel. And that was a massive drop of oil, so let me shoot that a little. Okay, so and I'll probably work that in a little bit, but there is one of the takedown pins, and you can see how extended it is. It's got a knurled edge. Nice match on the Cerakote, more close enough. All right, that's it for tonight. All done.